Hi friends! Today I have come back with another 3 interesting fun science experiments. Let's get straight into the experiments. The first experiment is how to stand our egg. Friends, do you have any ideas how to stand an egg? Well, today I'm gonna show you. So let's get started. But now I'll show you how to do the trick of how to stand our egg. So first put 2 teaspoons of salt on the board. So the next step is to get the egg and put it on top. And see, the egg is standing. Isn't that so cool? And if you take it off, and put it back on, no matter which position you put it in, it's just always standing. And off. So the second experiment is to get an empty plastic bottle and make some holes. Then fill the bottle with water. Now that the bottle is filled up with water and the lid is on, now I can control the water flow with the lid. See? So I can twist and turn it. And see? Like a fountain. Now I can just leave it open and it's a fountain. So for the third experiment, you need a bottle and a ball. So as you know, if you get a bottle and ball and put it upside down, it will obviously fall. So, and the ball fell. So now I'm gonna show you how to get the bottle to hold the ball. So first fill the bottle with water. So as you can see, the bottle is filled up with water. Now get the ball and put it on top of the bottle. And then you have to hold on to the ball, flip the bottle and the ball over. And then look, it's magically standing. And you can also turn it. The end of the experiment. Next time I'm gonna come with some more new interesting videos. Hope you liked it. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Bye!